Hi guys, today we'll be seeing to change it. It's the continuation from the last video. Yes. So this topic is how to make this picture better. You'll see in this video. So let's click on picture tools format after selecting the picture, and you could select the shape of the picture. Yeah, here's the shape, and this is also shape. Or you can manually select shape like smileys. Yes, and rectangles. Picture border, we could do it as dashes. And yeah, after picture effects, we could do shadow. Yes, the shadow will appear there. And after that, bevel, you could see the effects after bevel. And let's click on glow. Let's make this. Yes, it's glowing now. Yeah, you can only do one time. Not done. You could crop. You could crop the picture. Yeah, you could crop the picture. Click on the picture, and you could compare, change picture, reset picture, and brightness. You could, and this is slow, and this is high, and this is nice. Off talk, e filter. You could change your picture. You could recolor, dark orientations. Look, yes. Yeah. So that's all, guys, for today's video. So that's all, guys. Bye.